What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a hoodie, and this will be the CTC logo and brand, change the culture. So this will be embroidered on the hoodie. I was going to do applique, but I decided to just do the thread. So we just going to stick with the thread today. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start hooping everything and be ready for the video. So definitely stay tuned. So I do have everything already. So I am using cutaway instead of tearaway stabilizer. I already have this cut. What I am going to do is lay this hoodie down flat, because I am going to be using a spray adhesive for the backing. I just feel it works better. I know you can actually hoop it without it. Me, preferably, it works better. So make sure, okay, front of the hoodie, strings out. And you just want it to get as flat as you can for when laying down your, I don't know what that is. All right, perfect, looks good. So now what I am about to do is off camera or just to the side, I am going to go ahead and spray the adhesive on here, and then I'll be laying that down. Now I just want to make sure I have it close enough, or as close as I can to the top. Make sure it's flat. Looks good, looks about right. Now, all I have to do now is flip it over to the inside out and go ahead and start hooping. So, now that I have it flipped over, I can go ahead and start hooping. Put this in the inside. Try to line that up as best as I can. See if I can feel it. This looks about straight. Now I'm about to go ahead and hoop the top part. Okay, perfect. So what I am going to do is just make sure that everything is tight and ready to go to the machine. So just going to give some extra pulls just to make sure everything is tight. And I'm going to tighten up the inside, always with my flathead. And other than that, we will be going over to the machine. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Now we are over at the machine. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Try to get as much of this out of your way as you can. Okay. Always want to make sure that nothing is hitting the bottom. Everything is nice and tight and ready to go. So just have to change the thread colors, and this is the logo. It's flipped upside down, of course. Can't really see it, but it's flipped upside down. And what I am going to do is scoot it all the way to the top as far as I can, which is right there. That's enough. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and change the threads and get this video started. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And if you're here watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. So we are going to be starting off with the black border on the words. I'm kind of indecisive on what colors I want to do the lettering as far as the cursive. I'll probably figure that out as soon as this is done stitching out, just to see how the black look, because I could definitely go with a black on black, but I'll see how it look once I stitch the border out. So definitely stay tuned to the video, guys. And I appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching the videos. And once again, and I thank you guys for even commenting, letting me know some of the problems that you guys have. And I hope that anybody or whoever I respond to, that I was able to help you. So once again, thank you for commenting. Thank you for even watching the videos. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. So stay tuned to the video. Okay, so now we are going to do the words, and I think I'm going to keep the words the same color as the inside. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and load that color back up, and then I'm going to go ahead and start with the words. Definitely stay tuned, guys, and if you haven't done so already, hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video, and thank you. So we are done. So what I am going to do is take everything out, you know the routine, and show you guys the final result. So definitely stay tuned. So now we are done. So what I am going to do is take it out of the frame and then show you guys the final result. So stay tuned for that. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Came out good, actually great. Words came out great. Just had a small error, which was because of the hoodie slid. I think it slid out of the frame a little bit, but other than that, that's no big issue. But it looks dope, not gonna lie. Sorry, you guys a little close up. I probably could have went thicker on the words, but everything else came out fantastic. Look nice. Definitely is dope. So this will be another one to the collection for the Change the Culture. So definitely got to add this to the website, and the rest of the other Change the Culture merch. Definitely got to add those. So yeah, this looks dope. Not gonna lie, it looks great. So y'all know the routine. Once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out, guys.